Hello, my name is Leslie Spear, and I currently live and teach in Holton, which is 30 miles north of Topeka. And just to share a little bit about myself, I am one of six siblings, as you can see in this picture. The only boy is actually my twin brother, and to the right of me is my older sister. Beside my brother is my younger sister, and then on the ends are my two twin little sisters. So two sets of twins in the family. It's pretty fun fact. On the right is me and my fiance. We just recently got engaged, so currently wedding planning too. Um, Things that I enjoy doing outside of teaching would be coaching. I coach women's basketball at the high school here in Holton, and I also coach AAU basketball during the summers. In the picture, my two little sisters who I coached last summer. I also like to stay active. I enjoy going on walks and hiking, and I also joined a Saturday morning boxing class, which I really enjoy. I am in my third year of teaching second grade at Holton. As you can see in the picture, we are wearing t-shirts for 2/22/22, which was a cool day in second grade. Some of my short-term professional goals would be I would like to be better versed on the science of reading and also share my knowledge with not only my second grade class, but my colleagues and the professionals I work with. My long-term professional goal would be to be a curriculum director and to make a serious impact on student education in whatever district I might be in. My learning goals for this class would be to get a better understanding of curriculum development and evaluation and the history of curriculum and where do we go from here. And also, I would like to have a growth mindset going into this because I know change isn't always easy, and hopefully do some networking with my peers. And if I ever have questions in the future, be able to reach out to them and learn a little bit more about them. So that's a little bit about me. Thanks for listening.